Today we are going to focus on a 1960s bag made by Création Mardi. It has major stain by the bottom as well as damage and wear to the handle. Inside there is color loss on the creases. First thing to be done is to start by pre-cleaning the stain to let the product work before we move to other sections. This needs to be repeated few times before the stain is gone. There are pen marks on the inside of the flap. However, I won't be using any harsh solvent to avoid any further damage to the bag. It is in inconspicuous place as well. The handle has been pretreated and is being cleaned for the second time, where marks won't disappear as easily as the stain on the bottom. It is a heavily used part of the bag, so all oils from the skin are going to put more stress on the leather. To keep the bag in best state possible, I will use pigment cream to create same color as on the inside of the bag. The stain is almost gone from the back, but it still stays on the bottom. I will let it stay there. Polishing makes a deal breaker for the hardware. While I have no possibility to electroplate it to match original color, conservative treatment is enough. The before and after of polishing side clasps. In the meanwhile, I have used dubbin oil to refresh the leather. It has darkening properties, but I have chosen it for the additional protection of the leather. Picking the right interior shade from the ready-made palette is best method for small areas like those. The match is actually perfect and blends well with surroundings. Final cleaning of the bag before using a moisturizing and regenerating cream. While the colored cream does not have opaque pigment, it brings sheen to the bag. I will be using two different shades to create more three-dimensional final look. During this part, you will be able to see where the biggest use has been on the bag, near the closure, on the back, and the handle. Final look.